Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on searching in Proquest, one of the databases offered by the SNU Library. You can get to Proquest by going to the main library page at library.snu.edu and clicking on the Research Databases link below the search bar. This page lists all of the databases you have access to through SNU. You can find Proquest by either typing it into the search box or clicking on the letter P. You can see from this page that we not only have Proquest, but also Proquest Dissertations and Theses and Proquest eBook Central. I will show you how to search using the first Proquest database listed. At this point, you may be prompted to log in using your SNU credentials, the same username and password that you would use for your SNU email. However, I am already logged in, so it did not prompt me to do so. I will begin my search by using the search bar here, and I'm going to search for body image. Notice that suggested search terms are listed below in a drop-down menu. I am ready to search, so I will click the search button on the right. Currently, there are over 2 million results. You can narrow this down by using quotations around the word body image. This is going to look for the phrase body image instead of searching for the two words separately. You can also use the Boolean operators and, or, and not in all caps in order to include or exclude certain additional terms. To illustrate this, I will type in body image and teenagers. This searches for resources that include both terms in the article. You can also use the filters in the left sidebar. If you would like to search for only full text articles that are available immediately, click full text. You may also click peer reviewed, which will only pull up articles that have been reviewed by experts in the field. I want to search for both of these, so I will check both boxes. Under publication date, you may limit your search by date to find articles published within the last 12 months, 5 years, last 10 years, or you can type in a custom date range. I will search for articles from the last 5 years. Now we have around 1,800 results. To view an article, click on the article title. Notice that there are tabs for the full text and abstract here on the left. If there is a PDF version available, you can click it right over here on the top right. You may download it by clicking on that link in the upper right corner. You can also use the Cite button to cite this source. Just choose the documentation style you need and copy and paste that documentation citation into your references page or works cited page. Click on these 3 dots up here in the right-hand corner. You'll also see some other things you can do. You can email the article to yourself. You can print it off, and you can save it to a folder in Proquest if you've made an account with them. But you can also save it to your Google Drive or your OneDrive. And that is how you search on Proquest. If you need any further research assistance, feel free to ask the reference librarian in person or by phone, chat, or email. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.